Optimizing your mainframe is more than just a catchphrase. In today's transaction-intensive world, it's critical if you're going to be prepared to handle the pure volume of transactions and the ever-increasing strain they put on your mainframe operations. If you think about it, your mainframe is like the engine of a train. Each car it pulls represents a transaction-intensive application. When you first started using the mainframe, you had a small number of cars. You probably bought an engine that was sized according to the load it was pulling. It worked well. Your costs were predictable. Your operations ran smoothly. And most importantly, your customers were happy. Over time, more cars were added to the train. A car for e-commerce, a car for mobile payments, a car for an increasing number of device types. As your application environment grew more sophisticated and complex, you had more and more cars added to the train with no end in sight. With the added burdens, your train gradually got slower. It was overwhelmed. Yet, your business relied on the train. Your train got slower, but your scheduled run times remained the same. Your operations no longer ran smoothly, and you lay awake at night wondering when it would all fail. Worse, your customers were getting annoyed. So, how do you improve your mainframe systems to deal with these burdens and resolve your crisis? Well, some solution providers would have you just add more engines or maybe a bigger engine, but that's a very expensive proposition. Others would have you replace your engine with something else, but that's also expensive and it may not even work. In either case, it means more upfront costs for you, more maintenance, higher risk, and less return on your investment. Of course, as the transactional volume continually increases, it means you need to keep investing more on engines. Eventually, the train becomes too expensive to run. At DataKinetics, we believe you should save your money. Instead of buying more locomotion and incurring the risk and financial expense, we can show you how to optimize your current engine to handle the increased load. Our approach means lower costs, less ongoing maintenance, much less risk, increased capacity, and a dramatically higher return on your investment and happy customers. We'll put your mainframe worries to rest.